Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Babcock Davis part number PKG Personnel 2 250N spring. This is a part number 29880. That's what the factory is going to know it as. This is a 250N rated gas spring, and this is used on their Personnel 2 series roof hatches. Now, this video is to simply serve as visual evidence and dimensional evidence of this item. There is no very clear guideline as to where and when this lifting gas assist spring is used, about 24 1/8 overall length. The factory does not publish a bill of materials, although a small amount of information. You would use the 250, 29, what part number is this again? 29880 on a, possibly on a very small unit, maybe an aluminum unit, or using it in conjunction with a 500 rated unit, a 500N rated unit on a larger unit. So this might be a helper or an assist. The bottom line is, if you're unsure if this is what you need, reach out to us. We're going to want to know what roof hatch you have, the size, the composition of the material. Photographs would be very helpful. One thing that Babcock Davis does very well is respond to inquiries for guidance when it comes to determining exactly what material it is that we need to assist you to get your roof hatch back into safe, proper, dependable, predictable, reliable operation. Let's switch to the screen view and take a look at a little bit of supporting documentation. Okay, so this is the manufacturer's page where we can take a look at the Personnel 2 roof hatch. And there's an image that's shown here of not any single particular gas lifting mechanism, but it is shown here. This is the curb stud. That's a separate product. The lid bracket is a separate product, and then you have your gas spring. There's also some line art drawing, and you'll see it installed on the right side when you have a 2 system, when there's one on the left side as well. So if you had a 54-inch wide unit, you can count on there being 2 of these gas lift assists on the material. There is also below this video links to parts drawings and whatnot. Sometimes the material is just simply drawn and not referred to specifically with part numbers, but we provide this data to help you determine exactly what it is that you're working with. You know, they call that spring part number, or that gas lift part number 6, gas spring with damper for smooth, controlled, counterbalanced lift assistance. You know, which one you need, what is your part number, that's hard to say, as I intimated earlier, because the factory doesn't give us a bill of materials for this indicating every component piece part that goes into manufacturing this. So in absence of having that data, we simply ask them, and we provide them as much information as we can in terms of size, composition of the material. Is it made of aluminum or steel, and what you know, perhaps how old it is, any photographs that we have as well. Let's wrap up this video on camera. In conclusion, the name Babcock Davis is synonymous with very good quality roof hatches. Not only that, but very good quality technical support and customer service. I have to tell you that we deal with a lot of people in the roof hatch industry, manufacturers, and most are very good. Babcock Davis is exceptional. There's one that is awful, and they will not participate in conversations about replacement hardware because they want to sell only roof hatches. This is a company on the West Coast who is thoroughly, in my opinion, doing everything possible to prevent you from being able to purchase a standalone component to repair an otherwise perfect roof hatch. That's just awful. Babcock Davis is quite the opposite. Everywhere from customer service all the way up to product management and technical support, just exceptional people. If you are thinking about a project to repair yours, or maybe the last client that I had that couldn't get assistance from that one particular manufacturer. Turns out that they're involved in specifying a very famous West Coast fast food chain, and I was assured that as a result of that, the company with the exceptional technical support would be in the specifications moving forward. Babcock Davis understands that, and they do a great job with it. If you have any questions on the 29880 gas lifting mechanism or any other Babcock Davis product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.